welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a Amazon haul. So I got a few things on Amazon I wanted to show you guys because I'm going to start getting my hair ready for the winter months. It is getting a little bit cooler down here, so I wanted to start doing some protective style again guys with some braids, but I am extremely busy still, so I didn't want to spend too much time doing those braids. So what I did was guys, I ordered a few fun things on Amazon to just get that started for me so I can save a lot of time. So the first thing we're gonna look at guys is some oils and accessories. They came in the same day but in different box, so we're gonna do this first box first. So now guys, one thing I want to mention is that I am an Amazon Prime member, so sometimes I do get discounts on things, but for the most part these prices are usually the same. So the cool thing about this is these little castor oils, I got 2 bottles of them because I tried to order the big bottle I usually do, but they didn't have it in stock, and the other one you had to buy 2 or 3 packs, and it was from $15 to $21, which I didn't need that much. I just wanted a little bit, so I'm happy I found these, and they're $3.21 a piece plus tax of course, but you get 4 ounces of just castor oil, which is what I wanted, and you can go ahead and make your oils, which is what I'm going to use for my scalp because I love using castor oil in the winter. It's a lot thicker, so it works out great. Now the next thing that's in the box is this accessories pack. Now I've always wanted to try these guys. I haven't ordered them, but I did see them and save them a while ago, and I figured I would order them this time. Now the one thing that really got me is these little strings. I don't even know what to call them. I'll look at the name for you guys in the box, but this is what it comes with basically. So it comes in this little bag, and what you get out of the bag is, so you get these 2 wrapped around your hair. So whenever you do your style, you ever seen when everybody, they have their hair done, they have those string wrap around each strands, which were really cute, and I thought I'd get the gold ones because they usually look really nice. So guys, I suggest you get the one that's gonna go really nice for you, and I think usually it depends what type of hair I'm putting on or what color I'm using. So the hair I got, these are perfect for it. So these are really nice. They actually feel pretty sturdy. I thought they would feel a lot lighter, but they're a lot sturdier than I thought, and they're really nice actually. Now the next thing that comes with that is this little bag of accessories, and these, I hope you guys can see these. There's a lot of light. And these are what type of accessories these are. So these are gonna be the ones you actually put on the braid, and there's a couple of different ones. You have this type, which is the little, just a simple little one with the design on it. But you also have these ones, which I really like. These are the ones I really ordered for. They look really cute. And you have the gold as well as the silver. So it depends which one you're using, or if you want to use both. Now it does also have a couple of different little accessories. Like there's a couple of different ones with the hook you can put. This is perfect for Christmas. That's coming up, so I like it. So the snowflake. And you also have just the simple rings, little rings that they actually have. I don't know if you guys can see these. They're super tiny. But overall, you have quite a bit of them in the bag. So I don't remember how much it's supposed to be in here, but I'm gonna get it off of my order and put it in there for you. And I believe this was about $8 or $9. Again, I'm gonna have the exact price for you guys, so it was not bad. It was really cheap. I went to the store to actually go and look at these, and 1 pack of this was about $15 at the beauty salon. So if you are gonna order this, I highly suggest that you order it off Amazon. Saves you about half the price. Not only you get this, but extra accessories. They had a lot bigger packs, but I just wanted these, so that's why I got this, guys. The next thing I want to show you guys is the hair. So it came in 2 bags, which I was happy about. It was well packed, so I took this little Amazon bag off first. So that's the first one that came in, and then you have to open another bag, and then you have the pack of hair. So what I did was, guys, I ordered crochet hair. Whenever I do my yarn twist, I have to actually make it. I have to do the twist and braid my hair. It's a long process. It takes quite a bit of hours. Or if I'm doing it individual braids, you guys see me do those, they take a long time. And I did some long braids not too long ago. They took me 2 to 3 days, I believe, to do. Don't have that kind of time right now. So that's why I ordered these. They're quite cheap. The whole pack was actually $19. Now they do have sales going on Amazon right now, so usually these are a lot higher. So it comes in 6-pack, guys, that you get, which is enough for me. If you need more, definitely recommend that you get more. Now let's open each pack. I'm going to show you guys the actual hair and how much is in it. These are nice. I thought these would look a lot cheaper, to be honest, but they're a lot nicer than I thought. So this is what this hair looked like. They're pretty much lock style, so these are the hairs I wanted. I didn't want to spend too much money, guys, on these, so that's why I got these. I think these are pretty nice. It's gonna go very well with my hair. In each pack, let's count the braids, how many actually come in there. So it has 20 strands on this pack, so I'm not sure if all of them has the same one, but this is gonna make life so easy for me to braid my hair and actually put these away and just crochet them in. Now the cool little thing I didn't know about this is the fact that it actually comes with this little crochet hook, and they have two scrunchies and a little bead pack. So nice little surprise. I didn't know it would come with that. I either didn't pay attention and said it, or this was a little extra gift, but I don't believe I saw this. So nice little surprise. If you don't have this, I do already have a crochet hook, and I actually have a plastic one that I'm gonna use because this gets snagged in my hair a lot, but this is also extra to have. All I have to do is be careful. I can still use this, and I have extra accessories. Now the last thing, guys, I want to show you is something I found at Burlington. If you have a local Burlington around your house, I highly suggest, guys, that you go over there and look for things, because I have a lot of things for you to choose from, and they always are having major sales. So one of the things I found, guys, was this brush, this bristle brush. I like it. This is a Boar's Bristle hair brush. It says for men, but you guys know I always go in the men's section and buy these brushes because they're always so much nicer. Plus, it's so hard to find a bristle brush around the women's section where I live. I don't know why. This is 100% Boar's Bristle, and it's 100% wood. So if you see that little hole in there, you can actually feel how it feels, and it's so soft. It's nice like the other one I've had. I've already got one. I told you guys I'm gonna try other ones. And the other cool thing is, usually this would be like $10 at the other stores. I got this for $4, which was really cool. Cheap Burlington price. So that's something I'm excited about. I have a new brush, guys, so I'm excited to use it. You guys know using these bristle brush, it helps with scalp stimulation. Definitely help to reduce breakage for me, because when I brush my hair, a lot of the tangles seem to melt away, so I love that. So happy about the new bristle brush. So guys, this is pretty much it, my haul. I'm excited. I'm gonna do my hair very soon, have a protective style video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. As soon as I get that done, I'm gonna be putting these guys in. I'm gonna do a prep video as well as protective style for you guys, so stay tuned to watch that. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to be using these little hair guys, so I'm excited about them. I'm excited. Save me so much time and effort, so I don't have to spend and take me what 2-3 hours to actually do my hair now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell so you know when I have new videos out. And of course, leave all of your comments down below and go ahead and watch my last video.